To track your students' progress, first make sure you have records of your students' scores in the quiz section in the formative tracking page. Go to the Progress Tracker under the Assessment tab. Ensure that you select your class and the skill or skills you want to track your students' progress on in the Tracking Mode section. Here I selected all skills, since I have assessed my students once so far, but you can always select a specific skill or topic you have assessed them on. The bar underneath this section will narrow down the skills based on a timeline. Once you have done that, scroll down to see the graph, and if you hover over it, you should see the class overall band and some other details breaking down students' performance. Keep scrolling and you should see a list of your students, and as suggested, you can click on any student's name to see their progress over time based on all skills assessed within the period you selected above. Another way where you can use to visually be able to track your students' performance on a specific skill based on a specific point in time is to go to the Visual Analysis page under the Assessment tab. There you can select your class, skill assessment type, and the date of the assessment. Once that's done, you should see 3 interactive visual representations of their performance: a bar graph, a pie chart, and a dot chart. Now if you go ahead and click on the logo, you should be taken to the dashboard, where you can also get an overview of your students' performance as well, along with a breakdown of the selected event. Finally, you can use the power of AI to generate class insights based on all the assessments you have had in your class, where you can get a summary and different students' abilities profiles, followed by some suggestions for improvement.